Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove PayPal Express Checkout Shopify. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So in this case, it's actually pretty easy in removing your PayPal Express Checkout button here. If you go to a product and click on the product and you see the Buy with PayPal button, which is the PayPal Express Checkout. So now to remove this, what we need to do is we first have to come to your admin page here and we need to access some settings here. At the bottom left of your screen, click on settings. And from here, what we need to do is go to payments here. And from here, if you see PayPal currently active, it means this is the cause why you have that button on your product. So what we need to do is just click on the PayPal button here. And from here, click on the deactivate. After that, click on the deactivate again. Once you've done that, it should actually be automatically applied into your Shopify store. And PayPal Express Checkout button has been removed. So that's basically how you can remove PayPal Express Checkout Shopify. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.